Alright guys, so sorry my phone died. As you guys saw, world's largest gummy worm. So if you guys want to see a challenge of me trying one of these whole things, comment down below.
In one day.
Yeah, no, in like 20 minutes or something. Tell me if you want to see me. It's to eat one of these whole things in 20 minutes. Comment down below. 20 minutes or less. I mean, look at this thing. It's like with my gummy worm.
Hi.
And there's Riley with her Valentine's Day gifts.
For my dad.
All this. I'm gonna just cut off one little piece to show you.
I'm happy this is Valentine's Day.
Alright.
Because Daddy got me a ballerina set. I love ballerinas. I am a ballerina. Bye. Bye. Bye.
One more piece.
I try a piece.
Yeah.
Please.
Little.
He thinks I'm really gonna eat it.
Who knows?
Ooh, I love pineapple. I'm so happy you got me.
I got pineapple and red cherry. Like, I was looking up videos, and I haven't seen one person make a video get pineapple and cherry. They always get like the blue raspberry and then the red cherry. Switch it up a little bit. Next time, I think I'll probably get that, right? The next time I get one of these for the challenge, let's go. Let's see
Are
what
you gonna get
flavors
the one that
they have.
they always get?
Yeah, maybe.
I'm getting that one, but I'm getting red apple.
There is no red apple. I wish, but there isn't.
Are you sure?
Yep. Let's check out the flavors. There is blue raspberry and green apple.
I want that.
There's green apple, not red apple.
I want green apple.
There's blue raspberry and red cherry, the one that everybody gets. Green apple and red cherry. Lemon and orange.
Oh, you're going high, all right. Can you crawl all the way across, Luke?
Mom, can you lift me up for this next?
Jump in the foam pit, right?